Yes, hello. I've been asked from so many sites that I should make a video about buying a house in Hungary and how much is it the prices to buy material and to find the right workers for renovating and so on. And very commonly in Hungary, you have the Balaton Lake region, you have the Budapest region and agglomeratio. And yeah, those are the main regions, and of course those counties that are near the Austrian border that are very expensive, have become very expensive. But I would say, from my observation, that all across the country the prices are rising, because for many other countries the people are immigrating nowadays to Hungary. So that is also for the next years that it will not become cheaper, I think, to buy property in Hungary. What you still can, and I recommended this very often, is that you buy a cheap old farmer's house here in Hungary and to renovate this, because those objects are not the first catch for many, so those are still, yes, with a good price. You have to check in every case individually. But the problem is that because still so many people are buying houses, Hungarians and foreigners too, are renovating, building new houses, that it's very hard nowadays in any region to find good and reliable workers. I say really in any region, because first I was in Balaton, so there are many, yes, there are the most people right now, and many are renovating their houses. When you find some specialized worker, they are very expensive. I think the same, I know this just same level like in Germany. But I thought then I will go here to the east of Hungary, so I'm now close to the Ukrainian and Romanian border. But also here, where prices are still lower compared to the Balaton Lake region, all those workers and specialized workers are really booked out for years. So I was really happy that I made the renovating of my facade, the front of my house, last year, and I was hiring a family where the whole family is doing this facade work, and they were coming very precise people, very good working, normal price, everything. But then I recommended this guy to two other people, one German and one Hungarian. And they never shown up. That means they had so much work that it's really also in the other regions of Hungary very hard to find workers, and prices are going up. So I cannot say I cannot generally say this to you how much this is, but it's very pretty expensive, same like in Germany today. And the other problem is that the material, what you buy wherever, you're in local stores or you go to the large businesses like Obi, Praktika, Baumarkt and so on, what you need for the whole material has become very expensive and is going up every 2 months. So I know from people from Germany, they told me that prices here for cement or other things are even more expensive like in Germany. So that's why that you have an imagination. When you buy a house right now, two things I would recommend. So the best would be, if you buy a house in this condition, that it stays in this condition for more years. And when prices are normalized, I think sometimes they will normalize again, then you will renovate your property. Or what is even better, when you can buy the material right now, but when you can do this by yourself slowly. slowly over the years. That would be the best opportunity. Otherwise, when you're just immigrating to Hungary and you're a stranger, you're a foreigner, right? They will rip you off, like in every country. When you are the new guy, they will rip you off, and this is really the bad situation for you. Please, best way to do it by yourself. And then the property will go up. I think the value will slowly go up during the next years because many more people to come here to the nice Hungary. Yes, please comment down below and let me know your opinion. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.